Batteries power our lives, and to keep up with the fast-paced world, reliability is required. When performance is critical, timelines are short, and components must be easily integrated, you don't have room for mistakes. Marian is your global partner for precision die-cut battery components. With skilled material experts and access to 3M's world-class products, we simplify your processes, from initial design to final production. We manufacture the highest quality parts tailored to your custom applications. In compact systems, Marian solutions manage heat, absorb vibration, ensure insulation, and support ruggedization. In mid-sized applications, protection from thermal events and pressure changes keep users safe. And in large-scale applications, cell protection and interference control provide long-term performance, ensuring reliability at every level. Backed by 3M products and our custom converting capabilities, Marian helps you tackle the toughest design challenges and build better batteries. Visit our website to learn more.